So yeah guys, in this short video I wanted to share with you my experience taking this course. This is the second course. I actually bought 4 courses from Stephan Maarek. This is the second course, Kafka Streams for Data Processing. I already made a video review on his first introductory course, which was actually pretty bad. I didn't like the course at all. It was so sloppily done. And now I'm making another review on his second course. It's a 5-hour-long course on streams. And as you can see, I've covered about more than half of the course, and honestly, I don't like it. It's so sloppily done. The examples that he gives, they were recorded 3 years ago. Many things changed because Kafka is an active project and they constantly develop new updates. There's lots of questions stating that like this particular function or library or code is deprecated, update course content ASAP. See, actually, let's take a look inside this question. You didn't update course content, case streams are no more. He's saying actually that blah blah blah, there is some APIs are deprecated, but he's saying like you can download this code. Again, we have to sit and figure out how to do this. We have to sit and figure out how to download, how to do, instead of actually re-recording the same video for the 2021 and beyond. We actually have to sit and download stuff and figure out ourselves. In addition, as you can see, I'm really going through this course and it's just so convoluted. Maybe it's because Kafka itself is pretty complex library, right? There's so many different tweaks and settings that you have to know about, but even running the simplest program requires so much time, so much understanding. I don't know. There's way too much hassle going on here. There's way too much overhead. I do want to learn Kafka, but I'm afraid that this course is not going to help you. So I'm actually recording this video just in case you want to buy it. I suggest you not to buy it. I suggest nobody to buy this course. Here he just updated this to make it look fresh, but the course itself is not fresh. The videos were recorded in 2018. Yeah, there's actually a little trick to keep it updated so that this number looks fresh, like the current months, right? But actually the videos are from 2018 and I constantly keep asking questions. And honestly, such a pain. It makes the whole learning process so hard, right? The examples that I tried to run, they're not really running, and I have to Google, I have to go on Stack Overflow, have to do here and there, have to post questions. There's lots of details in Kafka itself. And this course is not addressing those little details. And as you know, the devil is in the details. There is always, when it comes to IT, when it comes to the tech, it's always about actual details, right? Kafka has so many little things, tricks that you have to know about. He should have covered them in the course. There is actually one question here, yeah, this one exactly. Surindar is basically saying like, I resolved this issue. I actually had the same issue, right? He's saying the issue is resolved, but you could have explained while adding the dependencies. The video is so sloppily done. Honestly, Stephan Maarek course is bad. I don't recommend anyone buying this, okay? I'm recording this video just in case so that if you stumble upon Kafka and if you decide to take this course, I suggest you not take this course. I'll give this course 1 star, 1 out of 5. Don't trust these high numbers.